We're here checking out the new Forest River Wildwood lineup. Get yours today at your local Forest River dealer. The Forest River Wildwood lineup comes in fifth wheels, travel trailers, and even park models. With every floor plan, you're guaranteed to get a ton of natural light, a modern design, and quality finishes. Want the option to grill outside on your back deck? No problem. This lineup pays close attention to quality, detail, and comfort. And you'll definitely have plenty of room to entertain your guests. And we can't forget about the hidden storage. Check out the spacious shower. Ladies, this one's for you. Find these today at your local Forest River dealer.